Today, the court considered motions in the case of Kristin Ramsey. Ramsey is accused of killing West Des Moines realtor Ashley Oakland 15 years ago and was indicted earlier this year. Local 5's Brandon Wynn was at the Dallas County Courthouse today to share what the defense is asking for.
Kristin Ramsey's defense team argued in court today that the murder charges against Ramsey for the death of Ashley Oakland should be thrown out.
Our response, Judge, is easy. Dismiss the indictment. Dismiss this indictment. That is the role you will have to play.
The defense argues that the prosecution violated the state constitution by leaving out exculpatory evidence or evidence that would suggest Ramsey's innocence.
But that's not the way the case law plays out today. I mean, we've already discussed Williams. Justice Scalia was very clear that the government does not have to provide exculpatory evidence.
The prosecution says that it is not their duty to provide evidence in favor of the defense during grand jury hearings, but the defense is still calling into question the ethics of the prosecution.
When you know all of this evidence exists at the time or shortly after the time of the homicide, why did you call this neighbor to testify and ask her about statements that she made 14 years later? Why was her memory not refreshed?
The motion to dismiss the indictment will be considered by the judge and ruled on shortly. However, the prosecution made it clear that if they lose this battle, their pursuit of a conviction would not be over.
The remedy is a new trial. It's not dismissal with prejudice. I would immediately file a trial information because it is my belief that the evidence shows that Kristin Ramsey killed Ashley Oakland.
The motion to dismiss the trial was not the only thing considered. The two parties also discussed the motion to produce, in which the defense asked for evidence that the prosecution says it either already handed over or does not exist. The case is now set to go on trial in July 2027, with the pretrial on December 15th. Brandon Wynn, Local 5 News.